Super cute beachside half duplex with private fenced-in yard newly painted, all tiled and in great condition. Spacious living room, kitchen with eat-in area, 2 good-sized bedrooms, separate laundry room, private courtyard with sliders to primary bedroom, kitchen and door to 1-car garage. Driveway parking, pavered front porch and side yard and beautifully landscaped backyard. Washer and amp, dryer included. Hurricane shutters and impact windows. Prime location, super close to the beach, shopping and restaurants. No pets and no smoking, no exceptions.